kailangan i-wash ito. Okay, 2 mangoes and ice candy wrapper. Silupin ito ay bought it from Amazon. And of course, condensed milk.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given, but honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living, but we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
Hi guys. I'm in a hurry, guys. It's 6:30 already, and then I have to bring my laptop going to the other house that I can edit video. We leave her from here 7, and I have to put stuff in the car like garbage and stuff. I need to bring charger, cell phone, and of course the camera. Hello guys, I'm here. The good thing is there is traffic, but it's moving. But we're here early. Amazing. We're here, and it's time for me to charge my iPod, because I always listen music whenever time I drive. But this time I'm listening to 10 Wins. That's, it's the radio news. Because it's low, but for some reason I have a charger. It's fully charged, and then suddenly it's not working. Tom is not here. Supposedly he is off today, but what happened, he's not off because he accepted another job. Well, it's his old job, and then it's like, for today only. But they call him, like this, and it's not all the time, and that's why he took the job, because that's his friend's company, and he is so busy. I need to wash laundry. I will probably wash also this is not good. Mommy is going, he's gonna be out later tonight, and he decided to go to the house later after work. And I told him, if you're tired, relax and go to sleep, close your eyes for a few hours, and then go to the house. I'm gonna do Tommy's laundry, and that's it. It's kind of really sad in this house. It's so sad in this house, guys, like crazy sad. And there's no one here, and I miss my husband. I supposedly seeing him now, but he's not here. Anyway, and I miss the dog also in this house, guys. Like, the dog is running around. Oh my god, the air conditioning is on over here. Did he forget to shut it off? Ay nako. Why? Oh my god. The air conditioning is on. He left it on. I think he did laundry, because look, it's not even enough over there. So I'm just gonna wash these bed sheets and stuff like that. Oh my god, my husband. My husband, this is a guy thing, guys. Like, a guy thing. I put one load already. I put the whole thing in one load. Nakakaloka talaga, guys. Pag ganito, no? I'm excited to see him because it's Monday, but in up he is not here. Hi guys, I just like been sitting watching video. Well, I was editing the video and I end up watching another video, and I always hungry, but every time I watch Mikey Bustos video, I end up like so hungry because you know it's Mikey Bustos guys, palagi kumakain yun. I get so hungry all the time. Every time I close my eyes, Weird. Tommy put his chopstick in. He loved this one. Well, the Carmex Comfort Care. He put it in the refrigerator that is not going to melt. It's so weird. This is my first time seeing that over here. I'm gonna ask him, why, Tommy? Why? Oh, I need this, guys. I need it badly. I don't want to forget that. Oh, there's pancake, guys. Pancake. That's so pancake. I'm looking something to eat. I know, Han. I keep calling you guys, Han. There's anyway. Go back to the food video. There's a tons of video that I watch, which is the video that people that keep eating food video. Like, I'm sorry, guys. It's dark in here because I'm in the basement. I'm doing laundry. I'm laundering Tommy's bedsheet. Kailangan lang talagang i-memorize yan. Kailangan i-memorize yan. You know what I'm going to do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do barbecue really early. You know why I'm doing barbecue? It's not. Oh my goodness, guys, number 2. I'm going to cook food. This one right here, I'll show you. Just in case Tommy stopped by here tonight before he's going to our house and he has something to eat, because I'm not worried about rice or anything or pasta. There is pasta in there. There's a lot, and there's a lot of salad also he can eat. And I don't, oh my god, he doesn't even drink his coffee. Poor baby. He doesn't even finish his coffee so early this morning. I just want to feel bad about him. I love him so much. Oh, he's so working hard. Little man. So this is what I'm doing. This is a pepperoni and cheese. He got this from Costco. And baking sheets, living film product, venting. This is what it looks inside. I don't know if you can see. That's what it looks like. And this, I'm going to barbecue this one. This is the sweet sausage. Tommy loved this sausage and he eats this like crazy, and he liked the sweet Italian sausage. It's 3:80 now ng hapon. At sabi ko sa matanda, we leave like 3:30. Kailangan ko talagang magmadali kasi traffic patungo doon. As in, grabe yung traffic yung nung Friday. So, actually every afternoon naman yung traffic. And kailangan ko punta sa Walmart. Dog food and cat food, they don't have it. Hi guys. So hot right now. But anyway, the air conditioning you can hear because it's so loud. Anyway, it's 3:30 and my mother-in-law just like I told her we leave. Nagbabasa pa ng mga papel. Iwan ko talaga to. Wala ako kasi ano guys, basta kailangan ko umalis kasi kaya yung aso, mapalabas ko. And this time, traffic at saka I need to get some ano ba, yung dog food at saka cat food. Ay, kailangan ko palang mag-ano guys. I need my iPad chopstick kasi yung lips ko sobrang dry guys, as in. Ano, hindi naman siya sobra, lalo na pag naka-air conditioning. Grabe siya. Oh my goodness, guys, let's go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, go. Go, oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Oh, did you? Did you? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, goodness. Come here, Misty. Come here. Okay, come here, Misty. Come here. Baby. Are you being a good girl? What is it, Mystica? What is she? Look at this. Look at this. I know. You want me to touch you. Makes you happy. No. What a jealous little dog. You're jealous? Ah, you're so sleepy. I touch. Be a good girl now, okay? What? What drugs on the What have you been doing whole day? Huh? What you did whole day? What did you do whole day? Look at this. I know, Misty. I know. Look at this too, guys. Oh, shush, ginoo ko. No, you love me so much. Hi, we're preparing dinner, guys. Shrimp na niluto ko kahapon. At I'm watching na makalingaw na chinkitita. Tignan nyo yung my love's butt.
Dito kami my love sa department.
Nakakaaliw talaga yung dalawa. And ito, guys, this chicken, guys, is from Walmart, and they are the best, as in the best chicken ever. Tastes so good, guys. I have a video for this, guys, and if it's uploaded already, I don't know if it's gonna be uploaded, but check it out. You can tell in my eyes, right, na as in sobrang pagod na, diba? Yeah, I kinda tired. I'm gonna bigyan ko yung matanda ng ganito. Hold on. You don't wanna finish your dinner? You don't wanna finish your dinner?
I will have it.
Here.
Oh, what's that?
It's mango. Ice pop. It's a mango.
Oh.
Misty, you don't even like it.
No, she's coming in.
Give them before.
Oh.
She doesn't like it. Give it to me, Mom.
Yeah,
You gonna, huh?
This, I got it now.
Okay.
You want it?
No, I'm not. Come here, Rox. Misty, come here. Come here. You're hot in here, huh? Because it's hot up here. I just turned the AC on. It's hot in here, right? It's hot up here. Hey, what is it? What is the meat? What do you want? You're sleepy, you're tired. I don't care, you're the cutest little dog. I don't care too, you're a cute dog. I don't care. Come here, let's go bonsai. Okay, let's get some bonsai. Yeah. At least the grass. Huh?